name is Devarho and welcome to MyTaskers YouTube channel. Today we will be addressing the recent monster in the world of tech called ChatGPT and dissecting one of the biggest questions that is there in every content writer's mind. The question is whether ChatGPT has the potential to kill the job of content writers. The simple answer to this doomsday question is a big and resounding no. Well, when Grammarly came into the picture, did it kill the job of content editors and proofreaders? The answer is again no. Just like Grammarly, ChatGPT is another tool for content writers that can help them get rid of any creative limbo such as writer's block. It can give you fresh ideas, generate a roadmap for you in terms of the concept, and can provide you with a structure on how to frame the content. But it cannot help you in generating in-depth conversational and unique content all the time. For instance, if an individual looks for an answer using the AI platform or runs the same query multiple times using ChatGPT, it will more or less provide the similar answer to the individual. As we can see, just like Google, ChatGPT searches the online world, combines information from multiple resources, and then provides us with an answer. This brings us to the next question. Whether ChatGPT is completely useless for content writers. Well, was Grammarly useless for content editors and proofreaders? The answer is no. Just like Grammarly, ChatGPT can simplify things and help a writer get out of a rut when he or she is incapable of generating any fresh and new ideas. The next time a writer sits idle in front of his screen, devoid of generating any new ideas, instead of getting paralyzed by the fear of blank pages, he or she can simply reach out to ChatGPT. ChatGPT can provide them with a concept on how their content should look like, and from there they can weave their own writing magic and can create a content that is full of conversational elements and rich in human flavor. So the next time you are writing on a topic that you are completely unfamiliar with, simply reach out to ChatGPT to get a gist of how your content should look like. But if we focus to the current status of ChatGPT, we will see that most of the time it stays down. It's no secret that ChatGPT is currently in its initial stage of development. It will require some technical tweaks and a few upgrades to evolve with time. When ChatGPT is fully advanced and improved, it might pose a threat to content spinners who combine content from different sources for assimilation and rephrasing purposes. But authenticity, personal touch, and the human element of pouring soul into your writing will never ever be obsolete in the light of ChatGPT. We hope we have addressed the ever-growing fear in every content writer's mind that has got triggered by the inception of ChatGPT. Your job is not under threat, and nor is your skill, as long as humans are capable of thinking, realizing, and expressing. If you find this video to be helpful and informative, please like this video and subscribe to MyTaskers YouTube channel. Thank you.